Hi everyone, I was asked to do a quick video tutorial about how you can record a Zoom meeting, so I'm going to do that for you right now. There's one important thing to note here, that when you're recording a Zoom meeting, it does have to be done on a PC, laptop, iMac, whatever. It can't be done in a Chromebook. The processing power of the Chromebooks just don't really work that well for it. With that, if you're going to use your Chromebook, we're going to use a thing called Google Meet, and I will actually do a recording on that shortly. But as to Zoom, which is what we're worried about right now, I'm here at the Zoom homepage right here, and we're just going to go ahead and go through the process. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go to New Meeting here, and we are now starting a new meeting. It's telling me I'm using the computer audio, everything just like you normally have. But what you'll notice is here on the bottom in the menu bar, there is the record button. So when I click the record button, I have two options. The first option is I can record in this computer, or I can record to the cloud. What that basically means is if I'm recording to the computer, that means I'm making a local file that's stored on my computer that I can then take that file and upload it to YouTube or to Google Classroom or whatever I want to do. If I'm doing it on the cloud, it's going to the Zoom website. I suggest that you go ahead and just keep it on your own PC. That way you know where it's at, it's easy to find, and then when you're ready to delete it, you can go ahead and delete it too if that's something that you want to do. So we're going to record to the computer right now, and I will click on that, and then you'll notice that right up here in the corner a new menu bar has showed up. It basically has a blinking red light that says recording, because we're actually recording this Zoom meeting now. Now in the middle of the Zoom meeting, if I wanted to stop it or pause it or whatever, I could pause it right here, and it tells you the recording is paused, so you can do whatever you want, and that doesn't end it, that just simply pauses it for a moment. If you then want to start it up again, you can hit the play button, it'll resume, and now we're recording again. If you click the stop button, it's obviously going to stop the recording of the meeting. So it'll continue recording like this until we actually stop the meeting. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to end this meeting for everyone. So I'll go down here and I'll end it, end meeting for all. And now it has been recorded, and this box is going to come up and show you that it's being converted to an MP4 file, which is basically a video file. So now it has been recorded and it's all there. This actually is the folder where the file is located, but it's kind of hard to figure out where it is. You can open it up right from there, but the easiest way, I think, is to simply on your computer go to and bring up this is like my computer, right? So if you're on Windows 10, we're on my computer. I'm simply going to my H drive, right? The district H drive. And if I go to the bottom of the H drive, you're going to see a folder for Zoom. If I double click on that, it's going to bring me into all the meetings that I've had recently. And of course, this one is 10:30, which is today. So if I double click on that, it opens up this folder, and the MP4 file, that's the one right there that you're going to want to upload. Now it says Zoom_0. I would suggest that the first thing that you do is when you get it done, or you want to move it up or whatever, rename it into something else, because otherwise it could be a little bit confusing. But basically, in a nutshell, that is really recording a Zoom meeting. And if you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and give me a shout. All right, we'll see you.